Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sashalmartin and I'm back with another video. This video is actually going to be on reviving an old wig that I have. This is yikes. Like, I've literally had this for a year. It's actually wasn't even my wig to begin with. My aunt had an old wig that she didn't want. There's no rhyme or reason, or I don't have this down to a science. This is like a bob type deal, and I don't want to spend money on hair. Of course, I'm like never trying to spend money. I mean, I like to spend money, but I know my limits. So I'm just gonna try to revive this and make it into a cute style. I'm going to tweeze the hairline. It has never been tweezed before. It wasn't originally fitted for my head, so I'm just gonna go through all of this. And I thought it'd be cool to do it on camera. So here I go. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I've already washed and dried it before a while ago, but I'm just gonna go ahead. I don't feel like doing the whole process, so I'm just gonna, first of all, zip up my shirt, stop being a heathen. And I'm just gonna take this detangler. It's literally like my kid's detangler, and I'm just gonna comb through it. And that's gonna be my first thing I'm gonna do. And this is just to at least, like at this point, I don't even know what this thing looked like because it's so tangled. Dang. Okay. All right, so that wasn't too bad. So I know what this looks like. Looks like there's like some stuff back here, probably from it being stored somewhere. But anyway, so this is, I'm gonna make it into a middle part. I mean, it already is. I can't do anything with this thing to like even size it up. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my styrofoam head, put it on there, go through, and then I'm going to tweeze the hairline. And once I tweeze the hairline, I'm gonna braid down my hair and, or at least take this thing out of my head. And no, first I'm gonna take this out of my hair, braid my hair, and then I'm going to put it on and see what it's kind of looking like. And then I'm going to, that's what I meant to get today, was wig caps, but I forgot. So I'm not gonna be able to do a ball cap method, but I still should be fine with whatever. I'll make it work. However, it's not like I'm going on a date or anything, so it's not that big of a deal. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this situation taken care of and then tweeze this, and then I will be back. All right, so I'm back. I've braided my hair and I've tweezed the hairline. Now I'm going to try this on to see how it's looking like. Okay, so it's slightly, need to readjust the straps again. And like I said, I don't have a wig cap, so this is gonna be a little bit different for me. So as far as the hairline goes, I think I wanna tweeze some more, so I'll actually be back. All right, I'm finally done tweezing it. And like I said, I don't have a wig cap, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I've adjusted the straps, and these are not staying. These straps are these are the kind that don't stay. So we're just gonna try to put this on. All right, so the first things first, let me get this all done in the back. Put the combs in the sides. And I'm going to now, so weird, I used to never wear wig caps and then I started wearing them and now I feel weird not wearing it. Like, yeah, it's just, all right, so here's that, there's that side. How's this ear feeling? Just trying to get the ears kind of even. All right. Yeah, because, all right, so now I'm just gonna cut around the ears like this. Alright, there's that strap that I burnt the living shit out of. Alright, and I'm gonna cut this strap, actually. So that's feeling okay on this end. And now going to cut this ear off where it feels comfortable. Here comes a child. Hi! Hey, handsome. Oh, he's so sleepy. Why don't you go lay in my bed? Go lay in my bed. I'll be there shortly. Thank you. I know you're tired. You was up till 2 a.m., Sam.
What's up with the pig?
Huh?
What's up with the pig?
I was tweezing my wig.
Huh?
I was tweezing my wig. That's what's up with all the hair. You never seen me tweeze a wig before?
No.
Yes, you have. You're just tired.
What are you doing when you choose a wig?
Huh?
What are you doing when you choose a wig?
I don't know how to explain it if you don't know what tweezing is. Alright, I had to cut that off camera, which is fine. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and peel this back and I'm going to start working in my glue. And I'm just gonna use the same method that I used last time. Since I don't have a wig cap, I'm not gonna force it and try to use regular glue. So I'm just gonna use the Got to Be Glued again. And I'm just going to slather it on real good. And I can get in the hairline since it's not real glue. I feel like I've even done before where I've had real glue in the hairline, or like not as messy as this, but I've definitely put glue where it's touched my hair. But if you notice, I still have my edges because it's all about how you take it off. Okay. So I've been guilty of ripping an eyelash or two out of my eye with hair glue, you know, kind of forcing it out, and you can feel when it's like uncomfortable to where you know that that couldn't be good for the growth of your hair. But with wigs, baby, no, we didn't play that. I've definitely never ripped out hair from that. I've always, at least, you know, even if you don't have the like professional remover, you can at least use some oil and alcohol or something along those lines. All right, so this is real sloppy, and I'm actually going to use this my aunt gave me. It's kind of like freeze spray. It's called Super Hold Spray, and it's specifically for wigs. Like I said, it's pretty much freeze spray, but by a different company. I'm tired. I'm just gonna try to let this dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go and spray this. I'm gonna go on high with cool. So now I'm gonna go in with this spray. The only thing, the biggest difference I've found between this and the freeze spray is the spout is a little bit more concise. I'm just gonna blow dry, high, cool one more time. All right, so that's that on that. And now I'm going to get ready to apply. Let's see if I can do this from this far back. So I'm gonna start with the middle. And like I said, I put cream. Let me move this up a little bit. I put cream foundation, which I knew I just, like I said, I didn't have my wig cap, so, but I knew that was a bad idea. All right, I don't know if I can do this like without going off camera, but I'm going to definitely try. And it looks super gunky right now, but that's totally fine. It will dry. And the good thing about this, the reason you can apply these so fast is because you can clean it up really nicely. Like I said, even if it's gunky, even if you apply too much, you can just kind of be more lax. Like with regular glue, I go so slow. But with these got-to-be's, or I guess, and whatever, sprays and non like harsh adhesives, I feel like you can move a lot faster. So this was not nearly tacky enough. Okay, so I didn't picture it, but I actually put the wrap on and I sprayed some spray, and then now I'm blow drying it to melt it. And now I'm just taking a wax stick and I'm putting it on either side of my part so it can be super laid. And after I'm done with the wax, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my hot comb or pressing comb, whatever you call it. I'm going to start pressing out the top of the hair so it can lay flat. Fun fact, I don't know why, but my mother preferred to have a hot comb where you had to hook it up on the stove. Like, it didn't have a cord with it. We used to turn on the stove. And I think I have a bald spot right there. Anyway, we used to turn on the stove and do it that way. I think that's that on that right there. That's as flat as it's getting. I'm gonna go in with the regular straightener. I'm just gonna take some regular conditioner because I don't know about y'all, but I feel like my wigs get super, like the hair itself gets super dried out. And it just lays a lot nicer when I put some product in it. Now, if my hair was like thick, my real hair was thick like this would probably be the length of it. But my regular hair is thin, so that's that. And I'm gonna take this wrap off my head and see what the gunky hairline's looking like. I'll need some alcohol, I know for sure. And then I'm gonna go ahead and lay it out. All right, so I took the wrap off. I don't know if you can see it, but the hairline is pretty gunky. I do wanna do like just a slight baby hairs and clean up this gunk. So I'm now gonna just go in with some mousse or foam, whatever you wanna call it, and clean up this hairline, and then I'll come back with that. All right, so I'm about done with this. So you guys can see the final look. I think I like it with the ears behind. I think I'm digging that. I think it turned out pretty okay. You know, I've had this wig for how long? I've just never worn it because I didn't like the way it laid or anything like that. But I think I will rock this. So thank you guys for watching and tune in for my next video. Bye.